Hey everybody, my name is Suman Goyal and I help e-commerce brands with their email marketing. So in this video, we're gonna go over how to set up a dynamic coupon code in your Klaviyo account. First of all, why do you even need a dynamic coupon code? You need it because you need it for your email flows, especially your welcome flow and your cart flow. So any flow where you give a certain amount of discount, and you need a dynamic code because a static code can be shared and it can be exploited. Whereas a dynamic code is always new; it always changes and it cannot be exploited. And you can set a certain expiry date. You can play a lot with it. So now let's get into it. How to actually set it up for your Klaviyo account. I'm just gonna remove myself from this video. Because I'm not needed anymore. So yeah. So once you're in your Klaviyo, you will wanna go scroll on the left and go to the coupon section, and you'll end up over here. So now you're gonna go create a Shopify coupon. You're gonna name it, let's say it's a welcome email code, so welcome, all right? If you wanna give it a prefix is, let's say you put WLCM. This is what will appear in front of your actual code. So it's gonna be WLCM and random 8 letters. If you don't have this, then it's just gonna be random 8 letters. This can be good in it maybe specify a bit more about, oh, it's a welcome coupon code, or you can put ABC, which is an abandoned cart coupon code. It's totally up to you. I'm not going to use it for this video. And then we go over a fixed dollar amount. You can go with, let's say $5 off. If you want to go give it, you can specify if you want to give it for entire order, for specific items, for specific collections. And if you want to give the discount only if the order is above a minimum amount of purchase, minimum amount of dollars or pounds in this situation. So let's say we're giving $5 off if your order is about 50 pounds. Now you want to activate at the same time on a specific date. It's totally up to you. You can set it up beforehand. You're going to expire never after a certain amount of days or hours after a specific date. That's it. And then you create the coupon code. And now your coupon code is created. It's going to show up over here. Yeah, it's over here. So this is so now how you actually install it in your emails is you need this code over here. You're gonna put this, and this will automatically generate a unique new coupon code every time your email goes out. So I'm gonna put this code in the description below. You can check it out. And after that, let's set up an actual email. So let's go over here. Let's say you are already let's say you're in your email, you want to set up the coupon code, so you just copy and paste that over here. Or you can say, yeah, let's go welcome. I think that's what we did over there. Yeah, welcome. So welcome, you can also put get your 10% off with the code. And now the code will just show up over here. Now you can play a lot with this. You can make it bold. You can make it italic. You can even add a link to it. So you can just paste the link over here and apply. So this code will become like a CTA. It'll also, if somebody will click it, you can change the background color of this block by itself. You know what? Let's actually put this in the middle. Yep. And you can change the background color of this block. It's up to you, whatever color you want to put it. Let's put a sky blue because why not? So yeah, so this is how you set up a coupon code. And once you test it in your email, this will show up as a unique 8-letter code. If you have a prefix, that will show up more than 8 letters. Let's say WLCM, then 8 letters then. So yeah, this is how you set up a welcome coupon code. And if you want to get access to this code, it's gonna be in the description. And just I hope you found this video valuable, and yeah, keep creating emails.